in the recent deaths related to water heater, it's because the user used a 3-pin plug. Inside, they have a 30 ampere fuse, but for most of the water heater, it's about 40 to 20. If the current is too high, the insulator of this cable will start to melt. If the earth melts with a live wire, then potentially the whole casing of the water heater will become live, and then that is quite dangerous.
Second, please check the wire size for...
This is called a pressure relief valve. When the water tank is overheated, this will release the pressure. Those unlicensed plumber will not understand.
Scenario 1. The installer did not check if the drain pipe is unobstructed. It doesn't allow the pressure to release. Pressure will continue to build up, and it will explode when it's too high.
Yeah,
Number 2 is some of the installer just do not install the drain pipe at all. When they release the steam, it will cause wet patches. So they close it up so the water will stop dripping. But closing up the pressure relief valve will stop the pressure being released. Then you will explode.
And boom. Great. Just the person we need.
Hey, hi Steve, come in. The fire was so big. The soot was coming everywhere. There was smoke everywhere. Wiring fault, loose wiring, and too much power was supplying for the circuit. The water heater is supposed to release about 20 ampere. For else, this was 32 ampere. To make it worse, I have 2 switches down here. One is here, another one is in my master room. It's like you're using 2 batteries for 1 phone to charge.
How do I know whether you're really a licensed electrician?
Oh, he's here. This is the license. All licensed electricians will have one. And you can check it out on the EMA website to see whether is it valid. Some actually expired. We need to go for an interview and a test with the Energy Market Authority. Because it's very stringent, okay? They are handling you a license that you could kill someone easily if you make a mistake.
I can do my own self-checks too. For instance, make sure the pressure relief valve isn't dripping water because that could suggest a buildup of pressure, and take a sniff around because if you smell burning plastic, it might mean the wiring is overheating, and that's not good. And finally, turn off that water heater switch when not in use because an innocuous appliance like this could turn deadly. Ever since the incident has happened, are you now more worried about your water heater?
My parents lah. I'm mainly worried for them.
My son cut the water heater already.
Oh.
My son's so scared.
Yeah, of course.
When my grandson want to bathe, I cook for him water.
Okay. So you dare not use water heater already?
Then